How to contact Bolt Food Support. To contact Bolt Food Support, it's rather quite simple for us to do so. Open up the Bolt Food application and log into your respective account. Tap on the account icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you've done that, scroll down and look for the option Support and then just tap on it. When you go to Support, you'll find various options. Tap on Contact a Support Agent. Here, in the chat box, an agent is going to get in touch with you. And then you have your customer support ready to talk to you for any issues you might have. This way you'll be able to contact Bolt Food Support. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.